your old pan will shine brighter than a mirror. This even cleans burnt grease. Yes, you heard that right. To start today's tip, let's put 2 tablespoons of coffee in a container. In a moment, I'll explain how amazing coffee is for this type of application. Right after, add a tablespoon of salt. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, ideal for scrubbing and removing dirt and grease. Next, let's add 3 tablespoons of liquid detergent. The detergent helps dissolve the grease and makes it easier to apply the mixture to the pan's surface. When combined with the coffee, it further enhances the cleaning power. Finally, I added a tablespoon of water and mixed it very well. The water is essential to achieve the perfect consistency for our mixture. This paste will be our secret tool for cleaning pots. Now, let me show you how effective this mixture is. Look at this pan. It's very dirty and burnt. It has been used a lot in the kitchen and has accumulated that stubborn grease that is hard to remove. We'll gradually apply our mixture to the pan. Spread it well using a spoon. This works much better than any aluminum polish. You won't need to spend money on expensive store-bought products anymore. Try doing this at home. I'm sure you'll love the results, just like I do. After I learned this trick from a housewife, I started using it whenever my pans look like this. After applying the entire mixture to the pan, we should let it sit for 20 minutes. That's the ideal time for the mixture to take effect. And after that time, just rinse the pan under running water. You'll see how the dirt gradually comes off, leaving the pan shining again. Share your cleaning tips with me. I'd love to learn from you too. This way, we can test them and bring more tips to the page for everyone to know. This tip is extremely economical. And the best part is that you probably already have these ingredients at home. To finish up, grab a sponge and gently scrub to remove any residual dirt. There's no need to use much force. Light circular motions are enough. And before I forget, today's shout out goes to Margaret, who's watching from Mississippi. Thank you for always tuning in. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from, and maybe I'll give you a special shout out in the next video. I love to know how far my videos are reaching. Now, take a look at this result. Isn't it impressive? The pan is shining like new. Rate it from 0 to 10. Your feedback is very important. I want to know what you thought of today's video. Your opinion helps me improve and bring even more useful and interesting content for you. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. A big hug, and I'll see you next time.